Hey guys, it's Tara from Teaching on Lemon Lane. This is video 2, the tutorial for this ugly sweater project, which is so fun. We're still here on step 2. You can see that I've added different backgrounds into these placeholders. I wanted to point out these little templates at the bottom that you can kind of drag up. You can resize, and then you can also insert an image into those as well. So again, to insert an image into the placeholder, I've got to select the placeholder by single clicking it. I come up here to replace image, search the web. I've already got one pulled up here, so I double click or single click and then hit replace image, and it automatically loads it into it. So these are a lot of fun. What you can also do with these, which is kind of a cool STEM or STEAM challenge, is you can even build with them, and I tried to make that really obvious by adding those three together. But by using, and that's actually what the whole sweater is built out of, is these pieces. So we can build even like a beanie, and then we can go through and replace these images. So we could do a yarn pom-pom ball like this one right here. And see how it's so small? So I'm actually going to double click on it. And then by using the scale sizers, I'm going to make the image bigger until it's placed within those crop lines. And I can actually single click and drag it over there. And so now my pom-pom is in the beanie. And then we just keep searching the web. We could do a knit fabric. Again, I'm trying to use those Google search terms to give me better results. And I double click to add it in. Give it a minute. Okay, so that was step 2. We're going to go ahead and move on to step 3, where we add a little magic, and this is my favorite part. So what I've got here is I've got some links to different gifts that will work well as an embellishment for your sweater. So it's going to give it kind of the effect of having like the flashing lights, like some of the fun little sweaters do. So what you can do, you can see these little, the description of what it is over here, and the link for it is over here. So in order to insert the image onto your sweater, you need to copy the link first. So what you're going to do is you're going to triple click, so 1, 2, 3, and that highlights it. And then I'm going to copy that link. You can do that by doing Control Copy, coming over here to Edit and Copy. And so now that I've done that, I've copied it over. And now I'm going to insert it by using the URL. So to insert that image, I go over here to Insert, Image, and instead of using upload from the computer or search the web like we're used to, we're going to come down here to by URL. Single click that, and now I can paste it. In order to paste it, you either need to right click and paste or Control or Command V. So this is the one that I selected, was kind of my sprinkles and sparkles. It gives me a preview, and I click Insert, and there it is. So now all I need to do is scale it down to fit onto my sweater. And now it looks like my sweater has some fun little lights on it. So that was step 3. So again, you triple click, you copy it, and then you come over here to Insert, Image, and then do that by URL. So the next video, we're going to go ahead and move on. Actually, I think we have enough time, so we're just going to keep going, and we're going to go to the next step, which is Get Fancy. Okay, so we just did add a little magic with step 3. We're on to step 4, which is Get Fancy, and simply it's just dragging and dropping the fun little embellishments that you can kind of add to accessorize. If we didn't do the build a hat, I could add one. But these are just kind of adding those fun little details to it. The last step that we have is step 5, and that's adding a background. So let's go ahead and do that. You'll click on your digital paper here. We're going to go ahead and go to Replace Image, search the web, and we could do Christmas tree is what I searched. I'm going to go ahead and single click, replace, and it's going to add that in as my background. And there you have it. I'm going to go through on the next video and kind of give you a preview of everything that is included in this download. Thanks, guys.